Jinan Jindiao Technology Company has over 10 years of developing and manufacturing laser engraving cutting machines and CNC routers. Thanks to our strong technical team, each of our products are CE and FDA certified, and our sales team exports largely to Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, and Africa. Jindiao's models of laser engraving cutting machines, CNC routers, laser marking machines, and plasma cutting machines are used to carve stone, make wood furniture, cut textiles, and engrave leather or other decorative objects. The JD6090L CNC router is used to create advertisements. Its working area is 600 by 900 millimeters, and the standard spindle power is at 1.5 kilowatts, though a 2.2 kilowatt power setting is optional. The JDM25 CNC router is used in wood engraving, furniture making, and 3D relief carving. Its working area spans 1300 by 2500 by 200 millimeters and can either be 300 or 400 millimeters high. Equipped with a vacuum table, dust cleaner, and stepper motor, this CNC router has a water-cooled spindle with 4.5 kilowatts of power. The laser engraving cutting machine has a high processing speed that creates smooth edges which won't need polishing. Its laser cut software supports CorelDRAW and AutoCAD, and its large working area ranges from 300 by 500 millimeters to 1,700 by 5,000 millimeters. Because it can cut and engrave wood, cardboard, glass, marble, fabric, leather, rubber, and plastic, the machine is commonly used to make clothing, toys, and furniture. Our extensive experience means we can offer knowledgeable OEM services and will work closely with you to design customized machines. Our advanced CNC machining equipment and accessories here in our factory, such as frequency converters, spindles, motor drivers, and controller panels. At Jindiao, you can be sure that you will receive quality machines.